Most e-commerce founders think that influencer marketing is unpredictable, too random, too chaotic, too inconsistent. So they stay inside a comfort zone. Meta ads, creative testing, budget tweaks, repeat. But here's the truth. Meta ads alone won't take you to €1 million annual recurring revenue. Of course, if you have a huge budget. Not sustainably, not profitably, not without volatility. Today, I'm breaking down a structured, proven system that helps a physical product go from €150 annual recurring revenue to €1 million annual recurring revenue this year. Generate over €90,000 in trackable influencer-driven sales, and build an online presence from zero. This isn't a viral moment, it's a framework. And by the end of this video, you'll understand how exactly you'll replicate this in your own business. Why influencer marketing fails most brands. Influencer marketing doesn't fail because it's overrated. It fails because most founders approach it like gambling. They choose creators based on follower count, send products to random influencers, hope someone posts something good, then blame the channel when nothing works. Here's the reality. If people don't trust your brand, they won't buy. And influencer marketing, executed correctly, build trust at scale. Before the transformation I'm about to show you, the brand faced the same issues most founders deal with. No meaningful social media presence, no ambassador or advocates, no UGC for ads or organic content, heavy dependency on paid ads, low brand trust, no time or expertise to run influencer campaigns, failed attempts or no prior experience. Their product wasn't the problem, their visibility was. Influencer marketing didn't fix their product. It fixed how the market perceived their product. The framework to change everything. This growth was built on one structured process, a 6-phase influencer marketing framework. I'll walk you through each phase as it happened, from strategy to the execution to the results. Phase 1, identify. The first step is clarity, not outreach, not gifting, not discount codes. We started by understanding, 1, the audience persona who actually buys this type of product. The answer wasn't everyone. It was people who value their home, aesthetics, and daily convenience. 2, the influencer persona creators who regularly produce content related to home routines, cooking, organization, or lifestyle. Not aspirational influencers, not random niches, creators with authentic habits aligned with the product. 3, KPIs. No vanity metrics. Just UGC volume, sales volume, community growth, website plus marketplace lift. This clarity shaped every step that followed. Phase 2, match. This is where precision matters. Instead of chasing massive influencers, we focus on creators with trust-driven audiences, strong engagement, high relatability, real and inflated reactions, daily routines where the product makes sense. This approach avoids biggest trap in influencer marketing, assuming reach equals revenue. When the right creators show your product naturally, the audience instantly gets it. The product becomes contextual, not forced. That's where conversions start. Phase 3, produce. The biggest misconception is that creators will figure out the content. Creators need direction without being micromanaged. The most effective structure used here was simple. 1, show the problem. The daily inconvenience or frustrations their audience already understands. Number 2, demonstrate the solution. A real-life use case in the creator's own environment. Number 3, integrate subtle social proof. Not this is the best product ever, but I've been using this every day. Number 4, a clean, simple CTA or call to action. Something that doesn't break authenticity. This created UGC that wasn't just engaging, but usable. For ads, for organic content, for email, for product pages, for marketplace listings. One piece of content turned into a multi-channel asset. Phase 4, activate. This is execution discipline, the differentiator between random campaigns and predictable system. The brand followed clear timelines, fast approvals, consistent creator communications, organized content flow, smooth coordination. Creators perform better when the process is easy. The execution became a machine, not a guessing game. Phase 5, capture. This is where influencer marketing becomes data-driven. The brand tracks sales via code, affiliate commissions, engagement patterns, marketplace lift, website traffic, audience sentiment, UGC volume, repeat purchases. This is how they discover that insight most founders miss. Different creators plays different roles. Some creators drive sales, some drive reach, some drive retention, some drive UGC, some drive social proof. Once you categorize creators properly, influencer marketing becomes predictable, even scalable. Phase 6, transform. This is where compounding effect kicked in. 1. Long-term creator relationships. Creators started posting organically without being asked because they genuinely loved the product. 2. Performance bonuses. Creators who hit certain sales threshold earned a small cash incentive. Tiny reward created outsized consistency. 3. Always on creator pipeline. New creators every month, new content every week, a growing UGC library, constant online presence. Number 4, community effect. People started noticing the product everywhere, talking about it, recommending it, trusting it. Influencer marketing stopped being a campaign. It became a growth engine. Section 3, transformation. Here's what the system produced. Over 90,000 euro in trackable sales, a social presence built from zero, a consistent stream of UGC used across ads and organic channels, a growing audience talking about a product unprompted, and most importantly, a revenue jump from 150 euro annual recurring revenue to 1 million annual recurring revenue this year. Not from virality, not from guessing, but from repeatable structured system. Section 4, why this works for any e-commerce brands. If you sell a physical product, this applies to you because people buy what they see used in real life. People trust recommendation over promotion. People rely on social proof to reduce risk. Influencer marketing isn't about hype. It's about visibility, trust, repetition, demonstration. This framework diversifies your revenue, reduces dependency on paid ads, builds authority, and accelerates compounding growth. This is how modern brands reach 1 million euro annual recurring revenue without burning thousands on unstable ad platforms. If you tried influencer marketing and didn't work, if you never tried it because it felt chaotic, and if you've been relying too much on paid ads, this framework is your turning point. You don't need massive creators, you don't need huge budget, you don't need virality, you need structure, you need the right creators, you need predictable execution, and you need a system you can run every single month. Because once you build that system, everything compounds. More content, more trust, more traffic, more word of mouth, more sales, more freedom from ad volatility. This is how brands break through the 1 million euro annual recurring revenue ceiling. Start with one creator, one piece of content, one process, and let repetition do the rest.